In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add a background video to your Weebly website. Let's get started. Open your browser and go to weebly.com, then sign in to your Weebly account. Click Website, select Edit Site and choose the website you want to edit. Then click Edit to open the Weebly editor. In the editor, scroll to the section where you want to add a video background. Click on the section's background, then select Edit Background. In the background settings, switch from the image option to video. If prompted, note that video backgrounds may require a paid Weebly plan. Click Add Video. You can either choose one of Weebly's available background videos or upload your own video from your computer. After selecting or uploading your video, adjust any available background settings to get the look you want. Then click Save to apply the changes. Preview your website to make sure the video background displays correctly on desktop and mobile devices. When you're happy with the result, click Publish to make your changes live. That's how to add a background video to your Weebly website. Thanks for watching.